Alrighty folks, my name is Tony, and these are my hands. Today, we got, guess what? Chicken wings, more chicken wings, chicken tips, black pepper, lemon pepper, and garlic. Really awesome stuff. Set that off to the side for the moment. We have parchment paper, really important stuff. Foil if you have it, that's fine as well. I'm just folding over the edges so nothing over the sides of the pan, very important. Now before we even do that, we're gonna add this little bit of water that I have here at the bottom of the pan, just because it makes it easy to clean when you have to clean it later. So remember, this just had water in it, so it's really not a dirty dish. You don't need to put it in the sink. So you're already ahead because you have to do one last dish. All right, now we got that in there. Set that there. Get the wings going here. Leg, 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 wing. Oh, these are just looking so heavy duty, man. By heavy duty, I mean you should just feel the weight in these things. Just amazing. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Now you can cook them straight up like this. You don't have to add lemon pepper. You don't have to add any spice you don't want to. But that's okay. And put on as many as I can on here. I'll set aside the rest for later. Or fill up another pan off camera. But look at that. That's going to be freaking tasty. Actually, I'll have to do another pan. Then I'll show you what that looks like before that goes in as well. But this just looks amazing. Hold that thought. Be right back, folks. Alrighty, folks. These wings are just looking awesome. Now here's another quick tip, real quick tip. Clean the top of your stove. Get that off. And I hope by this time you've also actually washed your hands. Now, there is a little dilemma. The newer stove at the new apartment is a little smaller than our other stove. So this pan and this pan used to fit in there perfect. Not no more. No. So this pan and this pan all the time from now on, or this pan and this pan. Perfect fit. So just giving you a heads up on that. Alright. So back to cooking. Alright. I'm adding black pepper. Actually, I'm going to add black pepper to everything. Even though I'm doing lemon pepper on these, I'm a big pepper fan. I'm a big garlic fan. So do what you think you must. Just like I did right here. Peppery goodness. Now, I'm going to do half of these with the lemon pepper. Now, you don't need a lot. It goes a long way. Actually, I'll do all these ones lemon pepper. I'll do other ones just a dash of garlic. Okay. Now, like I said, I didn't add a lot there. And I want to show you that. Alright. Now remember, when you pick this up, there's also water in the bottom, so try not to splash it around too much. But this is going to be spectacular. Alright. Now this one, the old dash of garlic. Or a bigger dash in some cases. But remember, you're only doing the one side, so it should level out. Alright, now, so I showed off the other one. Here's this one. And it's garlic and pepper glory. Now, you don't have to add a darn thing to these. These will still turn out perfect, but I wanted to add just a little zing right now. Oh, speaking of zing, red bell pepper seeds, Parmesan cheese on top of these. Actually, doesn't sound too bad. So, put these in the oven real quick. When you open the oven, watch out for that big old blast of heat. Now I got my temp right now set at 350. Like a glove. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's all in there, good to go. Set at 350. Now I'm going to come back in about 20 minutes, flip them, and put them in for 10 more minutes. I'm going to take it off the paper for the one in the parchment paper, because when I turn it on broil, it's not good to have parchment paper under the broiler because it can catch fire. So I'm going to remove that first, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, because I don't want you to burn to death in your house. No. So safety first, good food next. All right, so be right back in 20 minutes, folks. Alrighty, folks. Now be careful, not all stoves are created equal. So the top of the stove is scorching hot right now. That's why I'm holding this in my hand. But I got chunky blue cheese and Frank's red hot sauce. That's what we'll be eating our chicken wings with, if we need this at all. But I do like a little bit of heat, so I try to use this. No ranch. It's about the blue cheese and the red hot. Remember that. Alright, now I'm gonna set these off to the side. Actually, I'll put the blue cheese back in the fridge. Now we're gonna get the chicken wings out, get them ready to flip. Alright, these ones I don't gotta flip, but I wanted to show you these real quick. These are pretty awesome, okay? It is really a big pan. I'm gonna use both big gloves because there's a little bit of liquid in this one. You definitely want to be careful. You don't want it spilling on you. Alright. I'll flip these. Then I will remove the paper. Ooh, yeah, make sure you're wearing clothing. I just got splattered. I'm sure nude cooking is on another channel. But maybe Rumble will do the nude cooking. But watch the splatter no matter what, man. Because, you know, splatter's hot. So we're going to cook these for 10 more minutes. If even that. And then we'll broil for 5 minutes just to darken all the wings up. Oh man. Get in there. Alright. Now because there's a lot of liquid that's about to flow through, poke a little hole in the paper's okay. Get a butter knife and do that. You don't got to worry about the non-stick coating in your pan unless you got a really good pan and you're worried about it. But pretty important to do that. Now you can always add a second dose of whatever seasoning. It's just I'm not going to do the lemon pepper because that's pretty strong stuff. A little bit goes a long way. Alright folks, back in 10 minutes. Remember, like I said, definitely don't put anything on top of the stove. These gloves are fine because they're made for the heat. This I have on the burner, and the burner's not too hot, so it's okay. And these I washed just like that dish off camera, so it's fresh. I'm only taking the one out so we can get rid of the paper. You can't use that with the broiler. Safety first, man. Very important. Yeah, these look pretty yummy. Pretty yummy. Fat bastard would say, "Get in my belly." Now be extremely careful, this will be hot, okay? So be aware. I'm going to set that off to the side here so I can get the space back in the bowl again. It's okay to use the tongs to get the paper in there, but now that's safely out of the way. Now you can spread your wings out so they'll broil real nice. Yeah, these are going to be really tasty. Now, switch your oven to broil, both settings. It's okay to lick your fingers at this stage because everything is cooked up to temperature. Now you're just adding the dark. Okay, one last quick look. Chicken wingy. Again, be careful because there is water in the bottom of this pan, so keep it level. Show you that one more time. Awesome. Now we're gonna wait 5 minutes or less. On broil, always pay attention with your oven. If you got a glass door, because you're all fancy enough to have, or lucky enough to have a glass door, keep an eye on it with your light. My flashlight batteries are out because I keep one near the stove so I can open and take a quick look, because we do not have a glass door. But always pay attention while broiling because it's really easy to burn something. Trust your nose and trust your eyes, alright? 2 minutes, be right back. Alrighty folks, like I said, pay attention. Quick 2 minutes. Alright. Alright. Sorry I didn't take you with me, but they're smelling really good, so had to keep an eye on them. Now hopefully there's enough battery left in both my GoPro and me to make it through this. But in case the battery dies, these are going to be pretty tasty. Broil one side. Normally I do 2 sides, but since my battery's about to die, I'm going to do 1 side. But please, take your time at home. Totally worth it. Alrighty. The garlic pepper ones are looking pretty awesome. Take those out before they burn. Look at that. Mildly golden brown. And there's no problem turning these over and redoing the other side. Drain off a little bit of liquid. These I'm going to leave in for about 30 more seconds. But we can already shut off the heat, because it won't make a difference. Because they're already done, just how dark you really want them. Alright, now that, pretty awesome. I'm going to put them back in for another minute. I want that mild extra brown. But looking good so far, man. Ooh, it's so good and tasty. Using these little wingtips. These aren't overdone. A mild bit of meat. They're always good if you make soup or meat pies, which I'm going to do someday, and I can't wait to show you their recipe for that. Because homemade meat pies, so much better than store-bought. I make 2 different kinds. One with pizza crust and one with pie crust. Both are spectacular. Alrighty, folks. Either way, they're coming out. But they're awesome and gonna be super tasty. Yeah. Now let the wings soak in their own juices for a little bit. Just like you do with your turkey or your steak. You gotta let it reabsorb everything. And it's gonna be pretty freaking awesome. But be very careful right now, everything's super, super hot. Make sure all your gauges are off on your stove. And just, I can't wait to dig in. But if there's enough battery for me to show you what it looks like in the bowl, I'll do that. I got my hot sauce off to the side already. Oh yeah, good for dipping. And this will hold my blue cheese. Because heck yeah, man. Go buffalo, go wings, go blue cheese. No ranch. Be right back, folks. I mean, my mouth is watering. All right, I'm back. Got my wonderful serving dishes. So this took about 30 minutes to cook and about 7 minutes to brown. And that was pretty awesome. So this one's for the wife. Well, actually that's a lot of the one flavor. Gotta spread that love. She's in the other room at the moment, but this will be hers, and that's gonna be oh so good. Now, I don't mind eating some of these wingtips. Quick food. Give me some of those. Some of those. Yep. I'm like sputting to death here in the oven right near me, and I'm just scorching hot. But man, I can't wait to eat these. And I can't wait to get even hotter once the hot sauce kicks in. But look at that. Awesome, man. Please enjoy chicken wings. They're the best. Like, share, subscribe. In case my battery. I knew it, folks. My battery was so close. So I don't know if you got to see these, but mine, my wife's, these are going to be so tasty. Can't wait to chow down. Got my hot sauce ready. Gonna pour my chunky blue cheese in this fine bowl right here. And enjoy a wonderful meal. Because look at that. Oh, yeah. Mouth watering goodness. Have a good napkin because you're gonna need it. Alright, if you got a beard, good luck. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll let you know how it is. Or excuse me, how it was. Alrighty. Well, put the food away. This just looks awesome, very tasty. You can definitely crisp them up a little more, but these are just taste phenomenal. Now, let them cool down because the stove is one of those that gets hot. Put down the oven mitt so it doesn't melt the plastic container. You can see I polished off mine. The wife finished hers. Spectacular. I had to go clean out the beard a little bit with the hot sauce and the blue cheese, but worth every bite. Alright, so cook time about 30 minutes to actually cook them. Baking them, or excuse me, broiling them, that takes about 5 to 6 minutes or more depending, but always keep an eye on it when you're broiling, okay? Very important. So please enjoy, leave a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, leave a comment below. Let us know what you used on your wings and how you like them. Alright, take care. Peace.